Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I am your host, as always, Professor Prime. So, in this video, I wanted to talk about that moment. What moment in particular? That moment when you solve a math problem or when you figure out a concept in math. Let's get into it. So, for me, a lot of things happen during that moment, depending on the situation. Sometimes it's one thing, sometimes it's a combination of things, but occasionally I'll get very happy about it. And occasionally I'll get very frustrated. Also, occasionally I'll feel both. But more often than not, I feel happy when I get to that moment where I just figured out how a concept worked. Or, I solved a particularly difficult problem. Or even if it wasn't particularly difficult, maybe it was just something I didn't see before. And so, even the times when I feel frustrated aren't a problem for me because, the times where it's good, that works. Now, I know for a lot of people that isn't necessarily the case because they've had a lot of bad times with it. But I hope that people get to that point because it's a good feeling. And whether you get to that in a traditional sense, like academically speaking, or not, I hope that's something that people take away from my videos is that okay, we have what we do in school, and that's fine, that's fair, and it's all like great potentially, but at the end of the day, we are mathematicians by our very nature. So even if you're struggling in school and and learning some math concept or doing some sort of problem, at the end of the day, you do math every second of every day, whether you realize it or not. So you're really doing math all the time. If you get both, great. If not, I think one does matter more than another. But that's my opinion. That being said, I hope this video helped someone out there, or you can relate on some level. But yeah, that's all for this one. Professor Prime out.